Hello again, and I have another album from GOT7 to unbox, and it's the mini album Spinning Top, and you can see which version it is on the outside, which was very bad for people that bought like all the versions when it released, because you have like either the security, the end, or the insecurity version, and you can just see it on the inside, because here is the logo that is connecting, and you will just see which part of it you get, and then you know which version you have. I know the inside of this has a random like picture from someone, so let me take the photo cards out and then we can start if I'm finding them. Oh. Okay, let's start. So, oh, I got Jackson from the inside of the thing. And look at this picture. It really is nice. So let's check which version I got, and I got the probably the most common version. Almost all unboxings I watched was this version, and it's the insecurity version. So let's go through this. Just like this. Like, yeah, this is the front. I'm sorry. The spine. The back. With the checklist. And the members' names and such. So let's go through this. Ooh, yes, I forgot. And you got a first random page too. Yes, and I got JB. Yes. I think GOT7 likes me more. They are grateful that I'm finally buying their stuff. No, I'm just kidding. But I have a lot of luck with getting my buys at the moment. So this checklist. This is this version. Yeah, it's pretty dark. It's not like my favorite version of them. I like the end version better, but they all are pretty. And since you couldn't choose it, and all albums I had in this unboxings were totally random, so I didn't choose which version I wanted, even though I could have at other shops, but I didn't. I like this kind of thing, especially if it's not like I want a specific version more than the other, because I really dislike it. I would do that for the other albums I want from them if I can find it. So let's go through this. I'm sorry. I mean, they are nice pictures. They're black and white and very cool. But I like the other version better, the end version. Usually I really like black and white pictures. They are very aesthetic. And they are nice. Such sad as the hair. I can't talk again. I mean, just a bit dark. And like with the blurry, I'm not sure if this is, like you can see here too, his face like moving and such. It's like a bit demonic. The hair looks nice. And then we have dark pictures, dark red pictures, which are also a bit dark. Mark, Jackson, Jin Young, Young Jae, Bam Bam, Yu-Gi-Oh. And then we finally got some. You can say like these are like my biases. or like my bias and like the others, like the records something, plus the others. So so nice. I like this light thing they did. It's very cool. And still the pictures are very dark, so this is a nice picture. Look at his jawline. Let's see if I'm getting Jin Young again this album. He seems to love me. This one looks awesome. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but his eye makeup looks really cool. This and some group pictures. I think the vision I liked more was more this concept. More unit pictures, blurry unit pictures, more group pictures, and then the lyrics on blurry pictures. I really like Eclipse. Like I said before, I haven't listened to any B-sides on their albums recently, but Eclipse is really cool. I really like it. Then there's the thanks tos. Like usually it's not a lot for most of them, beside for Jackson, who also translates it to English and Chinese. And that's stuff. You get also like one random CD. So this one is the one I got. They all look very cool, like with a light effect and all. But let's see which photo cards I got. And the first one I have Bam Bam with a heart. This is cute. The purple hair looks better than like the blonde hair he has now. And it's a bit longer, but like I like it when he has like this hairstyle. Any color would be fine as long as it's not so short. So Bam Bam and Jackson. I think I saw this. Like it's probably like the same style, like Love kind of. But this is cute. This is a cute photo card. And this sweater looks very, very fluffy, and I want it. It's pink, and it's looking fluffy. So yeah, that's all I have for this unboxing. I still have more to go. One more to go. And I will talk to you in a bit. Bye.